Good morning, welcome to Goodwill Commodities. In this video presentation, we are going to see how we can trade in Mcx crude oil today. Before looking into that, let us see what happened yesterday and what we expected yesterday. This white color candlestick indicates yesterday's price opening, which shows that the market opened here 5,790. What we expected yesterday was we expected that crude will maintain its uptrend with 5,720 as the base support zone. And also we had crude oil inventory report yesterday. So right after the price opening, you could see our charting tool is providing some warning signal indicating the momentum is shifting or slightly on the selling side. So the price came down to test the support of 5,760. Whenever we say a support or resistance, it is not a single line, it is a zone. So the price picked some momentum to try to break the yesterday's high that was created, but still the price could not reach that zone. So what happened? Again, our charting tool is providing some warning signal indicating the momentum is not on the buying side. We need to wait for the bottom. So then again the price took some support around 5,760. This is the reason we always say that like I mentioned earlier, it is not a single line, it is a zone. Sometimes it comes below that and picks some momentum, sometimes it's quite earlier it picks the momentum. So the price was taking some support around 5,760. So this 5,760 is really trying to provide some support for crude oil, but finally it ended up in a failure along with the average, indicating that the momentum, the price could not sustain 5,760, so it can reach the next zone of 5,720. In that way we got the inventory report here. So the report was not also in favor for buying, because right after the report we could see the price came down to test the bottom most important zone of 5,720. And we know that this is particularly a very important support zone, so it ended up in giving some buying. And again 5,000, now 5,760, earlier it acted as a support, now it is acting as a resistance. Guided by the average, you could see our average is also on the top. Then it is a struggle between 5,760 and 5,720. Finally the price closed around 5,732. So this was the entire price action what we witnessed in the yesterday's market. The first part 5,760 provided support, the next part 720 provided support, but if you see the overall thing, the high decreased and the yesterday's price was dominated by the sellers. Now and then, like us, many expected the price to be on buying, so that is the reason we got some buying on major support. So what we can do today, how we can position ourselves for today's trading, we need to have in mind this contract will expire soon, so we cannot do a lot of strategy into this. We need to wait, we need to take a very short term position and need to exit. So I request you to be all the traders to be a bit careful, so we can put some new strategies in the next coming contract. So we want to be very conservative in this particular contract. So our strategy is going to be simple. The price is expected to open near 5,720 for today. Today we are based on Mcx price direction. We are expecting the price to open near 5,720. So the first part, our strategy is going to be clear with two takings. One is if the price is moving above 5,735. So if we see any momentum above 35, which means that still this 5,720 holds good for trading. So the price can test 5,760 and you need to put a closing above 5,760 to ensure that still the buyers are intact. But if the price is not moving up and if the price is clearing the low that created on the previous day, then it means that the price is losing some momentum for buying. The price can come down and to test the next support zone. So you should be very careful while taking this call. So you should be very careful. You can, by this time you can use our Goodwill Commodities charting tool. Yesterday you could see how it has guided us to stay in the right direction. You can trade with the help of Goodwill charting tool, that will keep you in the right direction throughout the trading session. So let us see what's going to happen during the trading session. And thanks a lot for watching our videos. Happy trading. Take care. Bye.